is sensational. Look at the landscape. Oh, wow.
Steps, then left.
Steps, then left, love.
Yeah.
Look at how pretty that is. Oh my goodness. Wow. It's very, very hot today. Why did I think we're going to that? Because we were right there with the chairs. I thought we were going right there. I thought we were going. What is that right there? We're going in there. And what is over there? Look, Jai. I got my hiking on today. Yeah. Wait, where is she? Why can't we sit in the gazebo with the benches? Where are we? I don't know what is that right there. eggplant parmesan, so good. I got nice cucumber lemonade. Don't worry, this is non-alcoholic. Don't worry. It's so yummy. It has mint in it. Baby, this shepherd's pie right here. Good lord.
Yes.
So what is all in shepherd's pie?
So as you see how thick this meat is right here. This is ground beef, like 80% ground beef. You got peas and mushrooms and carrots, everything. And then this is like mashed potatoes.
Like a pot pie?
Yeah, kind of like a pot pie.
We're at Cheesecake Factory, you guys, and this is heaven. Look at the pesto pasta. Like, y'all, this is nothing but Jesus. We're enjoying date night. Look at that. Oh my god, it looks so good. Look at the steam.
Mushrooms and man, look at all
Oh my
that.
god, it looks so good.
It's like so thick, man. It's just stuff.
That looks good, babe. I'm excited to try some.
Oh yeah, man.
God is so faithful. Just enjoying date day with my baby at Frankie's. There's the batting cages. We just came off the race car track. It was so fun. Now we're gonna ride the Sidewinder. Wait, is it Side Seeker?
Sidewinder, I think.
Sidewinder. Little ride that they have going on. Yes. That's so cool. Yo, so that ride was amazing. We just got off the ride, but this right here, y'all, it's like a virtual like game like type thing. Like, look at that. You get like these like helmet things right there. Like, what is this? This is so dope. Look at that. I love Frankie's. Look at this. Look at all the little toys, little games, stuff like that. Go on little things. But this right here is new. We never seen this before. Hologate. That's so cool. Like a virtual type thing. That's so cool. Right? My favorite place, y'all. Trader Joe's. So in love with Trader Joe's, you guys. This place is love. So they had this Gusto thing. Y'all know we went to Gusto the other time, y'all remember? But they had this like nice little like treat for people just to try out things. And I love healthy food, so I'm so excited about this. What's that? Babe, watermelon. Oh my god, yes. One in the melon, summer seasonal. Hi! Hey guys! This is so cool. Praise God.
Yeah, that's why. Yeah.
Excuse me, your dress is so cute. So cute.
The green one is mango kale apple.
Mango kale apple.
Strawberry
Rosemary lemonade.
Sure.
Praise God.
All of my crowns, I'm trying to get my crown, yeah. Purpose over passion. I ain't got no time for your shenanigans.